first thing is that I would like to clarify to everyone because in some press clippings it has come that he has been arrested because of the vehicle scam. That is completely incorrect. So I would request the press friends to please do your homework. It is not under the vehicle scam as there was called. We told earlier also that there is, that there was no such thing as a scam under the vehicle. There were certain allotment issues which one cannot define as a scam. So therefore, this is a completely different concern and different issue. This is regarding the construction of one of the buildings that was allotted to the police department. I don't remember the exact name of the building, but it was a building construction, and in that building construction, there was some allegations of some utilization of funds in that. And based on that, the FIR was lodged by the police department, and the permission was sought from the government to pursue that. So it was in that regards that the entire arrest and the entire process of investigation was done, and the FIR was lodged. It has nothing to do with vehicles, as is being put up in some of the newspapers. Hence, now the process is on. The inquiry will take place, investigations will take place, the law will take its own course, and based on that, whatever has to be done, it will be as per the laws that have been laid down.
Has he been suspended?
I don't have the exact information with me right now, but that is a very simple process. Suspension is not a very big action or something that is could be seen as any kind of a strong action against anybody. So it's a very small thing, suspension, and whatever steps, as I said, as per law has to be taken, will be taken.
So another thing is that we